talking earlier about both of us coming back from Canada, had trouble coming back into America at the border. And it's not what you would suspect. I don't know about you, Evan, but for me, people would probably say, oh, it's the drugs or the arrest record or whatever, but it was, I had some mandarin oranges that I gotten from a hotel in Seattle 3 weeks earlier, taken across Canada, and then come back in, and they charged me with smuggling fruit into the country. Burnished my outlaw image for sure. And then what'd you do? You had like a cactus or something?
We had a bamboo plant or something.
If you've ever wondered what life with the Turnpike Troubadours is like on the road, it's collecting bamboo plants.
Terrible stuff on there, but that was the most wholesome thing that we had. Got us in the worst trouble.
They don't mess around with their agriculture.
Covey took wing, shotgun singing, pointing dog down the old logging road. Danny Guthrie looked back grinning, fumbled around and tried to reload. The country was cold with the sun westward sinking. It's good to be back in this place. My hands around the Belgian maid brown and my mind on the lines of her face. Now Danny's my buddy, we grew up like family. We hunted this timber before we could drive. The old English pointer who once belonged to me, but I gave him up and I moved in 05. Off with a girl, off to the city, off on a wing-ended chance. Well, I thought it'd play out just like some story, but we fell in love at a rodeo dance. She said, go with nothing but a razor and comb. Says, baby, if you need me, I'll be where you found me. And go on to hell, honey, I'm headed home. Dan says, look at old Jim with a dozen best timbers behind him. No words for the wear. Your time spent in Tulsa did not help you shoot. And look at the gray in your hair. How good does it feel? You belong in these hills. It's best that you let it all in. You married that girl, you married a family. You dodged a bullet, my friend. She said, go on back to Cherokee Camp. Won't you crawl back with nothing but a razor and comb? Says, baby, if you need me, I'll be where you found me. Go on to hell, honey, I'm headed home. I was beginning to deal with it in the old dog pointed and part of me died. Then a flutter of feathers, then a shotgun to shoulder. I thought of the 4th of July. She'll be home on the 4th of July. Dance on the 4th of July. still got it. That's what we came here to do. Oh, it's light enough still at the foot of the hill. You can kick up a single or two.